Alrighty guys, real quick, here's what happened guys when you check for, or when you set a trap upstairs in the attic and you don't go back and check on it for a week. Yes, my trap caught a squirrel. The squirrel is in there dead and I got flies in the house. So what happens is the flies will work their way through the air ducts. Yeah, and work their way in the house. Oh my goodness. So it's flies everywhere up here. And I go look at my trap, and yes, lo and behold, there's a freaking squirrel in here that's dead. All right, yeah, so now all I gotta do is get the cage out. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, y'all see that dead squirrel attracting all these flies. Oh my goodness. That's how the flies get in the house. So my trap worked, guys, all right? Yeah, flies are everywhere up here. Now I can call the guy back and tell him I don't need them because I see where the flies coming from. They're being attracted by these squirrels. Alrighty, guys. So technically, I'm a happy camper. My battery died. I had to go and get my other phone. So my mission is accomplished. That freaking squirrel is caught. That's where all these flies was coming from. I mean, flies everywhere. Yeah, that sucker dead over there. Attracting flies. Yes. Whoa. Yeah, y'all ignore the junk. Look at him. I wonder how long he been in there. See, I was expecting him to, I haven't been back up here since I set the trap. Shame on me, right? Wow, it stinks up here. I would attract flies too. Yeah, buddy. Yep, y'all see that? One dead squirrel. So the trap worked. Ah, come on out, baby. Look at that. I wonder how long you been in there. Whoa. I am one happy camper. Now we can get rid of these flies. I'm throwing this whole damn cage away. I don't even want none of it. That's why we haven't been hearing any squirrels in the attic. This is the main culprit right here. This sucker, the only one that knew where I live. Come on, baby. Your ass got to go. Ah, if I open the garage, guys, flies every freaking where. Woo! Ah, yeah, buddy, this sucker stink. All right, y'all hold tight. Alrighty, guys. I'm sorry for all you squirrel lovers, but I had to do what I had to do, man. I know there's some sensitive viewers out there. Yeah, I don't even want the damn. He just sat there and I guess he just stayed right there till his dying death. I don't know. This cage was like $70, so no, I can't remember what I paid for it. But because I shouldn't have no more squirrel problems. This was, again, guys, this is the only one that knew where the freak I lived at. Like, he'd keep coming back. No, I'm not throwing my cage away. What do you do with dead squirrels? Anybody out there know? Guys, get off that sensitive shit. Let me tell y'all something. This squirrel was wreaking havoc in my attic. Scratching up stuff. Lights upstairs flickering. Because I got a short upstairs now. I have no idea where it's at. Because this squirrel just, him and his buddies, I went up there one time, it was two of them. They looking at me like, what the hell you doing up here? Well, sorry, buddy. So, I killed two birds in one stone. I found out where the flies are being generated from. They working their way inside the house. Let me tell you how crazy this is. It was some flies coming through the vents. So they would get in the AC machine or the AC and just work their way out the vents. I guess in search of this. So any kind of dead mammal in a secluded area would draw flies. Look at that. I'm not throwing my cage away. I remember Rose to Nowhere kept telling me put a cage upstairs. I did put a cage upstairs, and because I didn't hear nothing, normally when they go in there to eat or whatever, they would move around. We would hear something. So if I hear a noise, I would go up there and see what it is. But I never heard the noise. So here we are a week later. The main #1 culprit that always going in my house, in my attic, is in this cage. Now, no one else know where I live. Guys, squirrels are smarter than you think. Okay, I can't believe he actually went in here. I bet he was extra careful, but he can't get out of these doors. Look at that. Just stand upstairs in my attic, drawing flies. All I know, you dead now, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry, sensitive squirrel lovers. But I'm keeping my cage. I'm just going to wash that up. Get out of here, buddy. He was trying his best to hang on to dear life. He couldn't get out. Now, it had to be some days for him to die of starvation because I had food in there. So I don't know what he died of. I know his buddies left him hanging. Get out my cage. Son of a... But I am one happy camper, guys. You know what? If I can't get him out, because that might be contagious, I'm just gonna let the whole... Nah, there's some squirrels in the back I want. Those are the ones I haven't found out how to get in my attic. This guy here, the one built the hole in my new gutter boarding that the gutter guys just put up. That's how good he is. Now he don't want to let go to his dying death. He want to torture JT. Nah, buddy, your ass coming up out of here. Yeah. I'm gonna leave your ass right here. I'm happy, guys. I'm sorry. Somebody had to... now I can have my life back. I'm telling you, this was nerve-wracking. All right, let me see if I can tilt this over. Hold tight. Whoa, that is hard. It just turned into a piece of cardboard. Why am I still manipulating over the guys? Again, sensitive squirrel lovers. I'm sorry. Y'all hear that? Ooh. I hope he don't send his family back to... Y'all know how... Ooh. All right, this ain't going back in the house. This is contaminated. It's staying outside. I'm gonna wash it down and set it in the back for them big squirrels, because there's more. I want them all. At least the ones that was getting in my attic. Squirrels are allowed to live. I'm not a squirrel killer. I just want the ones that get in my attic to not live anymore. Y'all got to understand me. You know what? Even you squirrel lovers have to understand me. Okay? And if you don't, I'm sorry. Okay? If I lost a couple of... I'm just sorry. I'm no longer being tortured by that dumbass squirrel raising havoc in my attic. Now comes the hardest part, or comes the hard part of making the flies go away. You see what I'm saying? Now I can clean my attic up. Guys, y'all don't understand. When I went in this garage, because I checked something, I let the door down and left it down. When I went in here, look, bzzz, just flies freaking everywhere. What the hell? All up there. Oh, ooh, I'm letting the free in. Yeah, see, I done sprayed. It was all up there. I done sprayed all of that. They all dying now, but... Oh! Mother sucker. All right. The flies have nothing to feed off of, so they should naturally go away. You're never going to kill all freaking flies. Don't even think about it. But now I can get in here and clean my garage up. I know some of y'all going, oh, that guy's filthy. All right, I'm about to turn this light off and close this damn door. Yes, my mission here is done. Guys, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Well, it's a sad occasion, but I don't give a damn. I'm happy. This squirrel is no longer going to torture me. Goodbye, guys. Let me go up here. And, yeah, sucker was making their way into my AC unit. Turn this light off. I'm done. Let me go edit some damn videos. That's it, guys. Have a good night.